We'll guide you through how to see and reply to all birthday wishes on Facebook. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Facebook. So perhaps recently it was your birthday and you ended up with a lot of different birthday wishes and posts on your page. And so you want to go and make sure you go and reply and thank people as they went to the effort of that. We'll guide you through how you can go about this. So make sure this full guide to know what to do step by step and you don't miss anything out. So to go and get started with this, what you need to do is go and head to the profile button. It used to be the menu button in the bottom right. In some devices, it's going to be the top right, so you can tap there. If you got taken to the menu page, which you would have used to, you can scroll down and find settings. If you're on your profile, tap the three lines in the top left, and this sort of looks like the menu page. And you want to go and scroll down, find settings and privacy and tap on it to expand it, and you can press settings. In settings, you need to go and scroll down, and you need to go and find your activity. And in here, you'll go and find activity log. So what you can do is you can go and tap there like so, and you're going to see loads of different things here. So you can go and find your Facebook activity, tap on it to expand it, and you want to go and find posts, and you can press manage posts. Now what you can do is you can go to the top left and you can go and press filters. So you can go and tap there. Then you want to go and press categories. In here, you can go and find other people's posts to your feed. So this is going to include birthday wishes. So you can go and tap there and then you'll see them. In this case, I only had one, but you go and get the idea there'd be a list here. And so what you can then do is scroll through the list, and for each one, there'll be three dots. Click to the right on those three dots and you can press view, and then you can go and press comment, then you can go and press reply, and you've now posted that. And then you can come back and you can go and repeat that. Go through the list.